Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we are going to teach you how to wire an industrial electrical panel. This electrical panel includes 4 3-phase outputs and several single-phase outputs. Please watch the video till the end and press the like button if you like it. The first step in assembling an industrial switchboard is installing ducts, which we do. The second step is to install the rails. Now we install the necessary equipment. For single-phase outputs, we use single-phase RCCB switches. These switches protect people and animals from electrocution. Next to all 3 RCCB switches, we put a phase controller relay so that when one of the switches is disconnected, it will send a warning message. A few miniature switches for single-phase outputs. It is a remote control device that will send a warning SMS when the power goes out. For 3-phase outputs, we also use a 3-phase RCCB switch. And next to it, we use a phase controller relay that prevents 3-phase consumers from becoming 2-phase. We use contactors to disconnect and connect 3-phase consumers. We also put a current controller relay for each 3-phase consumer to protect consumers from excess current. Now we will install some other single-phase miniature switches for single-phase outputs. These miniature switches are connected to RCCB switches and protect the circuit from short circuit. Now we install the input and output terminals. These 4 terminals are for 3 phases and neutral of the CT electricity input. These 4 terminals are also for 3-phase and neutral emergency power that enters the electrical panel. Now we install the output terminals for single-phase outputs. For all 3 output terminals, we consider a common null, which is blue terminal. And now we install the three-phase output terminals. The installation of the equipment in the electrical panel is finished. The complete details of its wiring along with the wiring map will be uploaded in a separate video in the next 3 days on this channel. This video is finished. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.